At Arno Travel, we believe in creating tailor-made VIP adventures that redefine luxury and offer a truly personalized and exclusive touch. Hello, I'm Daniela Cappelletti, travel designer at Arno. Our VIP experiences are like no other, designed in detail to provide our guests with a personal and exclusive touch. Accessing private and usually close to the public locations is one of our proudest achievements. Unveiling hidden treasures and discovering exceptional stories leave indelible memories for those who turn to Arno Travel. Let's talk about our exclusive boat experiences, where luxury meets comfort, providing a unique perspective on Italy's most beautiful destinations. Imagine exploring Venice aboard a private vaporetto, accompanied by a knowledgeable guide, or witnessing the vibrant hues of Cinque Terre from the deck of a private boat. Snorkeling in the crystal clear waters of Capri, savoring local delicacies on board, and sipping on refreshing local beverages. These are just a glimpse of what our boat tours offer. At Arno Travel, we believe in turning moments into memories and journeys into unforgettable tales.